The silent and dangerous things to know about kidney disease and natural recipes you absolutely need to know. Hello, friends. Welcome to today's Health Talk. Let me start with a question. If your kidneys stopped working right now, how long do you think you could survive? The answer is just a few days. That's how important your kidneys are. But here's the scary part. Kidney disease doesn't come loudly with sirens. It creeps in quietly, damaging you slowly, and many people don't notice until it's too late. That's why it's called the silent killer. Today, I want to show you the signs your body might already be giving, what causes kidney damage, and some natural recipes that can help support kidney health. And I'll share some real-life examples along the way so you can picture it better. Why the kidneys are so important. Imagine you live in a house, and every day your house produces waste. Kitchen leftovers, plastic, papers. What happens if no one takes out the trash? At first, nothing big, but after a few days, the house smells. After a few weeks, it becomes unlivable. That's exactly how the body works. Your kidneys are the waste managers of your body. They filter the blood, remove toxins, balance water and minerals, control blood pressure, help make red blood cells, and even keep your bones strong. If they stop working, your whole body becomes toxic, and life becomes unbearable. The silent and dangerous signs of kidney disease. Now let me share a short story. There was a man named Daniel. He was always tired, but he thought it was just stress from work. He noticed his feet were swelling sometimes, but he told himself, maybe it's just because I walked too much. One day, during a regular checkup, his doctor told him his kidneys were only working at 25%. He was shocked. He didn't feel that sick. That's how kidney disease works. It whispers before it shouts. Here are some whispers you should never ignore. Swelling in legs, feet, or face. Fluid is building up. Foamy urine, a sign of protein leaking. Changes in urination, either too much, too little, or waking up too often at night. Persistent tiredness. Waste in your blood makes you feel heavy and weak. Back or side pain, sometimes from stones or infections. Itchy skin and dryness, toxins under the skin. High blood pressure that refuses to go down. Most people ignore these signs until the disease is advanced. Don't wait for the shout. Listen to the whispers. What causes kidney disease? Now let me give you a picture. Imagine a water pipe in your house. If you keep pumping water at very high pressure, the pipe weakens and leaks. That's what high blood pressure does to your kidneys. If you keep pouring sugar syrup into the pipe, it clogs. That's what diabetes does. Other causes include eating too much salty or processed food, overusing painkillers like ibuprofen or diclofenac, not drinking enough water, smoking and alcohol, ignoring urinary tract infections. In fact, statistics show that diabetes and high blood pressure cause about 2/3 of kidney failures worldwide. So if you or someone you love has these conditions, you must pay extra attention. Natural recipes and remedies to support kidney health. Now let's talk about the part many of you are waiting for, natural support for the kidneys. Remember, these don't replace medical treatment, but they can help keep your kidneys stronger for longer. Lemon and warm water. Every morning, squeeze half a lemon into warm water. It helps flush toxins and lowers the risk of kidney stones. Think of it as giving your kidneys a fresh morning shower. Ginger and turmeric tea. Both are powerful natural healers. They reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Recipe? Boil slices of ginger with a pinch of turmeric for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. Think of it as a gentle rinse for your kidneys. Parsley water. Parsley is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps remove extra salt and water. Recipe? Boil a handful of fresh parsley leaves in water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. But let me pause here with a warning. If someone already has advanced kidney disease or is on dialysis, strong herbs like parsley and corn silk can be risky because they affect fluid and potassium levels. Always consult a doctor before trying them. Practical everyday tips for kidney health. Beyond recipes, here's how to protect your kidneys every single day. Drink enough water. Your urine should be light yellow, not dark. Eat fresh, avoid processed. Less salt, less sugar, less junk food. Check your blood pressure and sugar. Don't wait until it's too late. Exercise regularly. Even 30 minutes of walking makes a difference. Avoid unnecessary drugs. Don't pop painkillers casually. Do yearly kidney tests, especially if you're over 40, diabetic, or hypertensive. Let me give you an example. There was a woman who always felt weak but never went for checkups. When she finally did, she discovered her kidney function had dropped to 40%. The doctor told her that if she had come earlier, simple lifestyle changes could have saved her years of trouble. This is why prevention is always better than cure. So, friends, what's the lesson today? The kidneys are small but mighty organs that work silently every day. Kidney disease is dangerous because it sneaks in quietly. Early signs like swelling, foamy urine, tiredness, itchy skin, and stubborn high blood pressure should never be ignored. Diabetes, high blood pressure, poor diet, dehydration, and overuse of drugs are the biggest enemies of your kidneys. And natural recipes like lemon water, ginger tea, parsley water, watermelon, garlic, and corn silk tea can help support your kidneys. And most importantly, simple lifestyle choices, drinking water, eating well, exercising, avoiding unnecessary drugs, and doing regular checkups can save your kidneys. Remember, you only have 2 kidneys, and they are working for you every minute of your life. Take care of them now so they can take care of you for the rest of your life. Thank you for listening, and please share this knowledge with someone. You never know whose life you might save. Don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe for more Health Watch Hub.